In this video, you are going to learn how to register a YouTube account. In order to register a YouTube account, you need to have a Google Mail account. The reason is because on October 9, 2006, Google bought YouTube for $1.65 billion in stock. Well, it is very simple and easy to register a Gmail, and it is absolutely for free. So all you need to do is go to gmail.com, click on Create Account, select For Myself. So key in all your personal details, and over here you can customize the name of your email. Choose your passwords. When you are done, click on Next. So the phone number and the recovery email address is very important, as if you do not remember your email password in the future, you need these two things to verify that you are the owner of this email address. So make sure that you fill this up and also remember the phone number and recovery email address that you put over here. The recovery email address is not necessarily Gmail. You can put any email services provider that you are currently using, such as Hotmail or Yahoo. And once you are done everything, click on Next. You can read through this, and when you are agree of everything over here, just click on I agree. So you are pretty much done with your Gmail registrations. Next, let's go to YouTube. All you need to do is just click on Sign In, and you will auto sign in with your Gmail account that you registered just now, as Google and YouTube are linked together. Next, we want to click on this Create Channel to set up your YouTube channel. Over here, you can give your channel a name. My channel name is called Wing Hon. So just some tips for you. Your channel is your brand. So you want to put something that is related to what is your channel is all about. The reason why I put my own name is because I thought of building myself as a brand for my company, so that when people heard of Wing Hon, they know that I run a YouTube channel that helps people to start up online business. It is really up to you how do you want to position your business. You can change this later on if needed, but I will suggest you to give it a deep thought of what you want to create before giving a name for your channel. When you are done, just click on Create Channel and you are good to go. I will see you on the next video.